take a look at these videos. They look absolutely amazing, don't they? The visuals are incredibly immersive, and the first-person POV style makes viewers feel like they're actually riding the bicycle. This type of content is going extremely viral right now, with many creators getting millions of views on almost every upload. People love watching these cinematic POV adventures because they're relaxing, exciting, and highly engaging. I really like this concept, and I think it has huge potential for long-term growth. That's why I want to start creating high-quality POV cycling videos with unique themes and stunning visuals. First, we'll start with ChatGPT. As always, I'll provide the master prompt in the description below. Simply copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will ask you to choose a scene or theme for your POV cycling adventure. If you already have a specific scene or idea in mind, just type it in. For example, POV cycling through an enchanted forest, or any other theme you like. If you don't have a particular idea, don't worry. ChatGPT will also provide a list of suggested themes, and you can simply pick the one you like the most. In my opinion, the themes suggested by ChatGPT are already excellent and have great viral potential. Once you've selected your theme, type this instruction. Generate 10 image prompts and 10 image-to-video prompts. That's it. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete cinematic storyboard with incredibly detailed, high-quality image prompts and realistic video prompts. The prompts are designed to maintain the same POV, bicycle, camera angle, and visual consistency throughout the entire adventure, making them perfect for creating stunning, immersive, and viral quality AI videos. For the image generation, I'm going to use Google Gemini. And this step is very important, so make sure you follow carefully. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, simply log in with your Gmail. Once you're inside Gemini, you'll see the chat interface. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that it generated for your story. After that, return to Google Gemini and paste the prompt into the chat box. Before you generate the image, there is one small but very important step. At the end of the prompt, add your preferred image ratio. For example, you can write costs are 16:9 if you want a YouTube landscape image, or costs are 9:16 nos if you're creating shorts or TikTok videos. This helps Gemini generate the image in the exact size you need. Once everything is ready, simply press enter and let Gemini start creating the image. Honestly, when I saw the first result, I was completely shocked. I wasn't expecting the quality to be this good. The image looked like it came from a professional 3D animation studio. The characters looked beautiful, the lighting was cinematic, the colors were vibrant, and every small detail was incredibly realistic. It had that premium Pixar-style 3D look that many creators try to achieve using expensive AI tools. What impressed me even more was the character consistency. The same character looked almost identical across different scenes, which is very important when you're creating a storytelling video. I also checked the image carefully to see if there were any common AI problems, such as random logos, broken hands, strange faces, blurry backgrounds, or low-quality textures. Surprisingly, I couldn't find any major issues. Everything looked clean, professional, and ready to use. But I didn't stop after generating just one image. I tested many different prompts, different stories, different characters, and different environments. I created emotional scenes, outdoor scenes, rainy scenes, sunset scenes, and even fantasy-style scenes. Every single time, the results were consistently impressive. The quality stayed high, the lighting remained cinematic, the characters looked adorable, and the images maintained the same professional 3D style. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Google Gemini. You don't have to spend hours fixing bad AI images or regenerating them again and again. Most of the time, the first result is already good enough to use in your video. If you compare these images with those from many paid AI image generators, you'll notice that the quality is surprisingly competitive. It's hard to believe that you can create images like these for free. So once you're happy with the result, simply download each image for every scene of your story. In the next step, I'll show you how to turn these beautiful 3D images into smooth animated videos using another free AI tool. Now let's move into the Flow AI video generation section. I know many people are thinking, Flow AI is not completely free. And yes, that's true. But here's the important part most people don't realize. Flow AI gives you free daily credits every single day. Right now, you get around 50 free credits daily, and with those credits, you can easily create around 5 high-quality POV cycling videos every day. And honestly, That's already more than enough for beginners to start growing on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other short-form platforms. But wait, here comes the smart strategy. Once your daily credits finish, you can simply switch to another Gmail account and get another 50 credits again. So imagine this. Gmail account, 5 POV, cycling videos daily. Gmail accounts, 25 POV cycling videos daily. That's incredible, and the best part is that the video quality is absolutely unbelievable. Now make sure you select the VO 3.1 Lite model. This model is amazing. It creates ultra cinematic POV cycling videos using only around 10 credits, and the output quality feels almost unreal for a free workflow. Here's exactly what I do. Upload the AI image. Paste the same video prompt. Click Generate. Within a minute, Flow AI creates stunning cinematic results. The results include smooth cinematic camera movement, realistic first-person bicycle motion, high-quality environmental audio, natural wind and forest ambience, immersive ASMR effects, and incredibly realistic animations. Everything looks polished and professional. I personally tested it multiple times by generating different POV cycling scenes and comparing the results one by one. Honestly, every single output looked amazing. This is exactly why so many creators are making POV cycling videos and consistently getting millions of views. You no longer need expensive editing software, advanced animation skills, or a professional production team. Now anyone can create cinematic, viral POV cycling content directly with AI. That's the power of modern AI tools. And remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Even if your first videos aren't perfect, keep posting, keep testing new prompts, and keep improving. Because one viral POV cycling video can completely change your channel overnight. The opportunity right now is huge, especially for creators who start early and stay consistent. So don't waste time overthinking. Start creating, start uploading, start experimenting, and most importantly, start now. Thank you so much for watching and supporting QTech Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so more people can learn how to create amazing cinematic POV cycling videos using AI. See you in the next video.